Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Honda XR150 Dual Sport. This thing is in mint condition, still under factory warranty, only 371 miles on the odometer. It's also got the rear luggage rack. Come on by and make your lightweight dual sport dreams come true for just $30.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.